Understanding the phrase, hot break. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we are going to explore the meaning of the phrase, hot break. It might sound a bit unusual, but by the end of this video, you will understand exactly what it means and how to use it. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's break down the phrase. The word, hot, in English is an adjective that describes something with a high temperature. However, it can also be used metaphorically to describe something that is popular, exciting, or in high demand. On the other hand, break, as a noun, can refer to a pause or an interruption in activity. So, putting these words together, you might think that hot break refers to an exciting pause or interruption. However, this phrase actually has a specific meaning in brewing. In brewing, hot break refers to the coagulation of proteins and other particles in the wort, unfermented beer, during the boiling process. This is a crucial step in beer making because it helps to clarify the beer and improve its stability. The hot break helps to remove unwanted particles that could affect the flavor and appearance of the final product. Brewers aim for a good hot break to ensure the quality of the beer. Now that you understand what hot break means, let's look at how to use it in a sentence. Since it is a term specific to brewing, it is not commonly used in everyday conversation. However, if you are talking about beer making, you might say, the hot break is an essential step for ensuring the clarity and stability of the beer. We need to control the temperature precisely to achieve a good hot break. And that wraps up our discussion on the phrase, hot break. As you can see, it has a specific meaning in the context of brewing and is crucial for making high-quality beer. We hope this video has helped clarify this term for you and added a new phrase to your English vocabulary. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.